Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. Today Tori's going to be installing a roll-out trash bin mechanism she received from the family as a requested gift for her home. The first thing Tori did was remove the cabinet door and the hinges from the cabinet that she wanted to actually install the trash bins in. Next, she measured and marked the back of the door so she knew precisely where to install the metal brackets. Once she had the brackets in the right spot, she secured them by screwing them into the door. Next came the fun part of installing the drawer slides in a tiny space. Now, Tori is the drawer slide guru of the stunning team, so this wasn't her first rodeo. So she measured and leveled and then screwed it in, but all while crunched down in an awkward position on the floor. Not an easy task. Once the drawer slides were installed, all that was left to do was install the cabinet front with the already installed garbage can holders. Then stick the garbage cans in and voila! Now she had a garbage can system that easily slides out of sight so nobody could see her trash. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.